Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I make sausage balls. First, you're going to want to preheat your oven to 375. This particular time I was making them for breakfast, kind of like as a meal prep, but they are great for the holidays, great to take for potlucks, and super easy to make. You're going to need 1 pound of ground sausage, 1 block of cream cheese, 1 cup of shredded cheese, and 1 cup of pancake mix. If you don't like getting your hands messy, this is probably not the recipe for you because it is super messy and you have to get in there with your hands. Once you have it all mixed well, start forming balls. And if I was taking it to a potluck, I would probably make these a lot smaller, but because I was making them for breakfast, I kindly made them bigger and not as perfect because I just like grabbing 3 and warming them up and having them for breakfast. I did start these out at 15 minutes and I left them in about 5 more minutes, so I would say 20 minutes would be good.